What's going on, Az? That was windy. Twitch, I think you guys, that's the windiest it's been in quite some time. I had a 55-mile-an-hour wind gust. I don't think this umbrella's even possible. Stuff's all bent up, phone's all muddy. Wind is what concerns me the most around here. The coops are still up and okay, lantern's still burning, trees are still standing, and hot tub cover's still on, although it blew off for the first time this year a couple hours ago. With all the rain we've had and the ground being this wet, it's highly likely that tree roots are saturated and a bunch of trees are down. Once the storm is over, I'll venture down the driveway and make sure the driveway is still passable. Kind of forgot about these foldable solar panels, and they're still out here and just fine. That's really sweet. A gust at 55 miles an hour really isn't too crazy most of the time, but up here the wind just swirls like crazy and it just doesn't come from the same direction. And I've found, yeah, a lot of wind damage can happen just at 50-something miles an hour, whereas many other places get a lot higher winds. I don't know, maybe they're just built better for it. That being said, I seem to be built all right for it, except for the trees.